isn't it a happy day here at the Woodshed 3. We have the motor all freshly rebuilt that we're going to pop in. Unfortunately, we can't put the tranny on right now because I wasn't prepared.
No.
Yep.
Oh. Dun,
So we're
dun.
just getting set up to get the flywheel, pressure plate, clutch on, and then we're going to hoist it up, stick it in, lube it, and stick it in.
Lube it.
Can't tell you how many times I heard that.
Yeah.
So, what's he got set up for your dipstick here? Where's that gonna mount?
I got to make a bracket coming off the exhaust, one of the exhaust studs.
Yeah, get it far enough away from it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make a bracket that goes onto here. Pretty sure I can turn this sideways because that can go sideways.
Yep.
And just make a bracket because he said you don't want to. If you put it up too tall, it doesn't pull right, you know.
Right.
So.
Pretty motor.
Look at the good job you did on those valve covers.
Thank
Dun,
you.
dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun,
Good, huh?
dun,
Yeah, good.
dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun,
Did the airplane to match.
dun, dun, dun.
So, are you gonna use this puppy?
Yep.
Should I not be videoing that puppy?
So, show me what you got going on here. What are these gonna do? So these mount.
They mount like this.
Plenty of clearance though, right?
Yep.
Does he want those on now?
Yeah, that's where he went. He went to look for the bolts because I can't find the other. Yeah.
Okay. Somebody made those. That's a good
Oh yeah. Yep.
Dun, dun. And
Yeah, a little bit.
dun, dun, dun. Gonna go in there. Bah.
Get these all tight.
They're just hand tight. Right here. You hang on to that and I'll torque it up, all right?
Who the hell are you yelling at? Hook up
The
phone.
dog.
Sound like me.
Got a lot of.
I got 4 of them, man. They're all going in different directions. Driving me crazy. Well, I always look at me and I go, they're gonna be the death of me. No, they're not. They love you.
No, that one fits better on this side than it did on that side.
Why is it locking it in? Is it catching the lip?
No, it's rolling against it. I can't get the bolt lined up because it's against the oil filter.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You got
I got it.
Open your mouth.
a sawzall? I got
Be
one.
here for all day with it.
Go through like 6 blades.
Oh, come on, man. This thing don't want to win.
Oh, look who decided to show up. All the hard stuff's done already.
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta go over and get a tap.
Less than an inch.
Is that the wrong thread? Is the wrong thread?
7/8 center to the edge.
Here.
Here. Talk. Look who's talking.
Mm.
You want a,
Thanks nobody drank it?
Are they all
No,
dented?
I didn't let him drink it. My private stash.
Order. He's a hoarder. Yeah.
Not like a quarter.
Dan goes, I think I'm going to surprise Rick with a case for his graduation that they're doing at the park. I go, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm thinking to myself,
I forced him.
yeah,
Hold my tank anyways, you know?
420.
$4.20.
Congrats, Maddie and Lindsay.
Good, good date.
She's bringing home freebies. Let's hear this thing run.
Yeah, ask him what he did with the shield in between the flywheel like that. I mean, the bell housing, that tin shield. We're using the automatic one.
The underneath one?
You ain't gonna have one on
He probably doesn't have it.
Yeah.
He was building these things from like brand new,
it. Yeah.
so he probably didn't even have it.
You know what? I might even have one kicking around.
For a stick?
Maybe. I'll have to look. I know I got 2 or 3 in a box.
Don't they just have like a removable window?
That's for the automatic, but that would work. That,
Just something to cover the hole.
right?
It'll still work.
That'll still work like that.
I mean, Andy's got duct tape.
See, it's the thickness of it because it's you know what I mean? If you take that off, now you screw how far it goes in deeper now. And with that dipstick, you can't go inside the headers with it because when you stick the stick in, it wants to hit the thing down. It won't go into the band.
Right.
So it's got to have a easy sloop to it. You know what I mean? So you got to put a bracket off one of the header bolts and let it come down here a little. You know what I mean? Down further.
There's plenty of room under the hood.
Is that still
yeah.
my leveler?
Wherever, yeah.
Yes. Oh, you forget? Yeah, remember it was on the flathead. I was using it for the flathead.
Oh, that's right. I remember now. We did use it. God, you're getting old.
I'll ask you where it is tomorrow. You'll forget all about it. Leveler.
Ask me where what is.
You might.
He's probably gonna have to still might have to do a few things.
He may have to jack it up a little bit with his engine hoist thing. You know, to do something with the mount. So I'd leave it just.
Just unhook that and leave that hanging. Yeah, because he's gonna definitely have to.
Tape all the holes up, then throw the hood on. Yep.
Yeah. The frickin' mice will be in this thing.
Nice warm bed.
Yeah,
Might
right.
smell like pizza.
Smells like pizza.
Got some olive oil and 60 weight.
Can you give him that bolt? Rick, you want to throw that bolt on and lock the back chain on? Is that pepperoni grease I see? That
Makes them run better.
Grease.
Better than zinc.
So it's in there.
In there.
In Summers.
But you want
Goodwill
to
Tavern did.
Yep.
Really?
Oh yeah.
What did you say?
The Goodwill Tavern has good wings.
Mm-hmm.
Sit there hit and miss though. I don't have no mice in my shop. So a 302 bored out to what? 40?
It's 30 over.
Now it's even better than
Is
it
that
was.
open? Yep. Wide open.
Huh? What is?
Right there. What the hell's that for? Pressure
for a
gauge?
piece of tape.
That goes there. That goes?
Is that
Yeah.
water pump?
Yeah.
very
Bigger.
Bigger?
Bigger.
Literally bigger.
Duct tape. Thank God I had this duct tape on tape.
Tell.
Yes.
He ain't getting in there.
Bleep bleep
Yeah,
bleep.
don't say that shit.
1,
on
2,
camera.
3.
No,
Bleep bleep bleep.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. 1, 2, 3.
Beep,
Started doing, we did one video. We did one video and we're like, 1, 2, 3.
Andy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have a couple and just have fun with it. There we go. All right.
You clocked out?
I did clock out.
Does that
Womp womp womp.
guy's coming tomorrow to measure.
That
But
hood,
I'm
does it-
drain- I took part of it out and I'm draining
it
all
come-
the water out. I
Yeah,
got
you're
this
gonna put the
bucket
tarp
in
over it,
with
and
a
the
little
tarp
flap
comes
around
over
there,
it.
so I
Okay.
just,
Yeah,
just, I would
no water's gonna
going.
get in there.
Okay.
Keep the
I'm good.
groundwater
Yeah.
out of there.
No water will get in.
Just
I'm
The
just
put it
tarp
trying to
comes
cover
to
all
about,
the
Make sure
bases.
it's
Tarp
working,
comes to
so
about
we
here.
can just leave it
I don't
plugged in,
want
so
no
we can get there
bullshit.
tomorrow when
I
we
know,
get
huh?
it in there.
Lisa's gonna help me with the tarp.
All right, let's throw the hood on.
Let's do this, Chicky.
Who's high tech? Oh, I got this.
I know.
Hold the front.
Yeah.
Front.
Yeah, I didn't lift it
You
like
hold
that.
The front.
You hold the fence.
Yeah.
He
Know
is.
the pickle spot.
Should.
Oh, good. I thought we were gonna bolt it on. You make
No,
life
no,
easy.
no, no,
I
no.
love this place.
No. For
No.
now, we'll take it off the next time. We'll just